Woman wears mascara to bed for 25 years and never washes her face. See what happened under her eyelids. Most of us wear makeup to the bed on occasion. We may come in and just be too tired to wash it. So we just go to bed. We know that we shouldn't do it, but we do it anyway. Of course, we don't typically leave our makeup on every night, but that it is not the case for all of us. As an example, from this Australian woman managed to wear mascara every night to bed for 25 years. She started when she was 25-year old and now she is 50 years old. She reached somewhat of a milestone in life. When you see these pictures, you are going to realize how dangerous it can be to fall asleep without removing your makeup. Teresa Lynch didn't intend on being a warning for us in this regard, but you may never wear makeup to bed again. She decided to visit the doctor after having a strange sensation in her eye. She described it as being as something was stuck in her eye. She couldn't get it out. When doctors examined her, they were shocked at what they saw. In fact, she even ended up as the case in the American Academy of Ophthalmology. In that case, Lynch admitted that she wore heavy mascara for 25 years without any adequate removal. The problem was inside of her head, eyelids, and something was built by the way of mascara had calcified into the lumps and made her feel as something was stuck in her eye. In reality, something was actually stuck in her eye. If it was not enough, she also was dealing with nasty cause of follicular conjunctivitis. This is a type of bacterial infection that takes place on the follicles in the conjunctiva. So 90-minute procedure was necessary to remove large lumps that had built up under her eyelids. They were embedded deeply into the area, building up on the top of each other eyes. Lynch claims that it was so uncomfortable that we couldn't imagine so. The doctors were really surprised when they looked at Lynch's eye. It seems as she has learned her lesson. She is going to change her makeup habits from this point forward. Her case is a more of an exception than rule. Of course, a few very people wear eye makeup to the bed every night for 25 years. That it is if you leave your makeup on a bed on every night, or if you know somebody that does so regularly, this is a good warning. Having some makeup removal wipes hands will help you to get your job done, even if you come home tired. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.